So you may have a Microsoft Word document right here just like this that you want to go ahead and share out with others, but let's say others don't have access to Microsoft Word. In that case, you can go ahead and convert it out into a PDF file. So to do that, you can go to ILovePDF.com, and then what you can do is you can go to Word to PDF, as you can see right here. You can even go around over here on the top and then choose Word to PDF from over here, from under Convert PDF. And then under all PDF tools right here, you can choose Word to PDF from over here as well. So as you go ahead and click, you can select out, let's say for example, Word to PDF file right here, and then select out the Word document that you want to convert out to a proper PDF file. So once you do that, you can go ahead and click on Open, and then you can click on Convert to PDF right here, just like this. So once you do that, whatever Word file you have, it gets converted. You can download out the PDF file right here, just like this. And you can even go ahead and save it in Cloud Drive, copy the link that you can share, and so forth right here. So over here, I already have the converted PDF file. And as I open it, you can see like now the Word document that you saw has been successfully converted into a PDF file. And then you can go ahead and share it out with others so that they have access to it. So that is basically how you can go ahead and then convert out Word files to PDF files using ILovePDF. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.